will flee, nothing else. It will flee, my revenge. He has disgraced me and hindered me half the million. Laughed at my losses, mocked at my gifts. Scorned by nation, thwarted my bargains, cooled my friends. And what's his reason? I am a Jew. Has not a Jew eyes? Has not a Jew hands, organs, dimensions, senses, affections, and passions? Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapon, subject to the same thing, healed by the same means, warmed and cooled by the same winter and summer as the Christian is. If you freak us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If we are like the rest, we will resemble you with that. If a Jew wrongs a Christian, what is his humility? Revenge. If a Christian wrongs a Jew, what should his suffering be by Christian example? Why revenge? The villainy you teach me, I will execute, and it shall go hard, but I will better the